Okay guys, sorry. My GoPro battery got empty. But we can still continue finding the AC leak. AC refrigerant leak in the system. I already opened the upper bumper cover. This one I already removed so that we can access the condenser to check if there is any leak here. But we are going to use this UV light. This is a UV light. This is a special tool for tracing the AC leak. As you can see guys, using this glass, this is in combination using UV light and the UV glass, we can identify where the leak is coming from. Just like this, I will try to demonstrate to you the difference if there is dye content in the surface. Just like this one is a little amount of dye. If you can see, without using the UV light, it is just a normal oil. But if you use this UV light, it will change. The color will change. It's like the color is like light green. So the same color, we can find it out in the system, in the AC system. If we find any color like this in the system, it means the leak is coming from there. Okay, let's try to find the leak here in the condenser. So it seems like there was no leak here. Okay, using this UV light, so we found no leak in the condenser. So the condenser is okay. So the condenser is okay. Then let's check the compressor, if there is any leak in the compressor. So the compressor is also here. There is no trace of dye from the compressor. And also let's check the AC line, the discharge hose from the compressor to the condenser. It is also free from leak. Okay, and the suction hose. Okay, suction hose and the suction pipe going to the expansion valve. So we found no leak. And also to the high side hose from the condenser going to expansion valve also has no leak. Okay, no leak found.